Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. First, I want to introduce our group. We are from group 5 from class 2 LD, and I will introduce our members. My name is M. Fakhri. On my left is Muhammad Alif Al-Fajri, and beside Muhammad Alif is Muhammad Fauzi Gymnastiar. Okay, next we will explain about the cable, which will be start by myself. Okay, I will explain about the definition of cable. In general, the power cable is the medium for conducting electric current. The power cable consists of an insulator and a conductor. The conductors are made of copper or aluminum. The conductor is part of the cable that is used to conduct electric current, while the insulator is a cable covering material which is usually made of thermoplastic material. Insulators cannot conduct electricity because their function is only as protection. Thanks to insulator, you will stay safe when doing activities that come into contact with the cable. Okay, the next presentation will be presented by Muhammad Alif Al-Fajri.
Okay, I will continue the explanation from Muhammad Fahri, and I will explain the type of cable. NYM cable. This type of cable is often used in home and building, with a cable core consisting of 1 to 4 core and provide with a PVC insulation layer. The existence of insulating material make the cable can be used in dry or wet areas and has a fairly of good level of security. NYY cable. NYY cable. This type of cable has a PVC insulated copper core. NYY type cable are made from fixed installation that are buried in the ground or in outdoor condition with added protection such as ducts, PVC pipes, or metal pipes. What you need to know, the insulation material on this cable has a strong construction, so the price is more expensive. In addition, the insulation material on the NYY cable usually equipped with red bead resistance. NYA cable. NYA cable is a cable with a core made of a single copper material and coated with a single layer of PVC insulation material. This type of cable is usually used for residential installation and aerial cable installation. If you want to use this cable, it should be equipped with a shield like PVC pipe. NYRF cable. NYIF cable. This type of cable has a fibrous copper core with a single core insulated with a single layer of PVC insulation material. This is cable that has high flexibility properties because the copper core is fiber shaped. This type of cable is suitable for installation on electrical panel that require a lot of curve. However, NYAF cable should not be used in open, wet or dry environment as they are easy to peel off. NYYHY cable. NYYHY cable. This type of cable has one or more fibrous copper core and has an outer set in form of an insulation material from PVC. This is a type of cable that is often used in home because it is flexible and so easy to install. Okay, I think that's all, and the explanation will continue by Muhammad Fauzi.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Fauzi Gymnastiar, and I will explain about NYMHY cable. This type of cable has more than one fibrous copper core with the outermost insulating material in the form of PVC. This cable is also often used for household scale electrical installations under 900 watts. The NYMHY cable consists of three parts, namely the conductor, the inner insulator, and the outer shield. which is also made of insulating material. The next one is NYMHYO cable. This type of cable has more than one fibrous copper core, which is insulated with PVC insulating material and has an outer sheet strap. This cable is often used in audio equipment, such as a sound system, loudspeaker cables, and others. The NYMHYO cables are not designed for high current electrical installation and are only used indoors as they do not have a weather resistant alternative. Next one is BC cable, or known as bare core cable. BC cable or bare core cables that do not have an insulating layer, so they are more often used in lightning protection insulation and in grounding installations. And however, the use of BC cables is recommended to protective materials such as PVC pipes. The next one is ACSR cable, also known as aluminum conductor steel reinforcement. These cables are made of aluminum with a steel wire core and are usually used in large-scale electrical installations such as power companies. This cable functions as a conductor of large current between electricity distribution towers. This cable does not have an insulating layer, with the aim that the main core cable can immediately lower its temperature when delivering such a large current. And the last one is NYRGBY, or can be called NYFGBF or NYBY. This type of cable has one or more copper cores with PVC insulating material, has around steel wire protector and steel plate coil, and has a PVC insulating material on the outside. This cable is made to withstand being planted in the ground without the need for additional materials as protection. However, for the installation of cable buried under the highway, PVC pipe is still needed as protection. So the next one is conclusion. The conclusion of our presentations is that colleagues can find out types of electrical cables along with the meaning and the functions of this type of cable.
Okay, that's all for our presentation about the cables, type of cables, and their functions, and more. Thanks for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.